First off, make an Instagram account and name it like mine, cash giveaway. And then you want to put like something like a PayPal proof, just any. And to get followers, just go on Facebook, type an Instagram group, and ask for followers, like follow for follow to get some customer. Next step, you want to type in the thing I typed in, but have it as your Instagram that you made. And then you want to go to the 3 dots up in the corner. And you want to click share and export. And then click on link sharing. I already have it clicked on, so I'll just click that on. And then it's going to copy a link. Keep that copied, and then we're going to go on to the next step. Next step, you want to go on to this website called al.ly. I'm going to type it in right now. Just go register and make an account, and boom. Okay, now you want to copy that link into this spot right there, and then click shorten. It's going to become a white screen. Just click back, and then click the refresh button up top. And it's going to put it in that area, but I already have 5, so there you go. Next step. Now you want to type that one in, copy it again from the same spot, but it's going to be different. Copy it in, do the same steps. Copy the same steps from step number 2, just the same. Just copy the same ones I typed, and then there you go. Just copy it, do the same thing that we did on the website. Type the same thing, comment down on step number 4, copy it to al.ly. Now to our last step. Here's the final step, step number 5. Just copy the same thing I typed, comment that gets the most likes and wins. And there you go. One more thing. You get money for people clicking on your bio. That's what the first thing was. And if you guys want, you guys can add a referral. It's going to be down in the description. Thank you.